the most annoying and fearful enemy in the universe, the Gundams. It's a Gundam!
Well, welcome back, you Gundam legends. Today we're continuing the GAT Master Grade model, and we're going to be putting together the chest unit. So not that many steps. So hopefully it should be a rather quick video. So this is what we did in the previous video. We put together the shoulders and the arms. Alright, so again, can't stress enough, always make sure you're orienting your pieces, especially as a beginner, as the instruction manual indicates. It will never steer you wrong. So you want to make sure that this pin part is facing you, and then the part that's cut out slides over here. So now you take this part of the chest unit, and what you're going to do is you're going to insert it at the top here, and then you're going to slide it down. All right? And slide it down like that. Up and then down. And then you push it as far down as it goes. And finally, you're going to access for the first time, section A, and we'll need these two parts. Alright, so now the red part is going to go in here, so you place it exactly like so, slide in, and then you okay, and then you will take these parts. So this is going to go into that hole over here. And then you take the other side and you're going to line them, match them up. And you're going to put them together. And your piece is going to look like this. And then you take section A9. So this one's going to be a little bit tricky to put in, but you have to maneuver this over that part and get it in. So don't forget, this part does move forward. And once that's in, all right, so all you gotta do is line that up and it's going to slide down, and then you're good with this part here. So this is what it's gonna end up looking like. All right, and then simple, we take the black piece and we line up with the winter green, whatever you want to call it. And slides right there. So this is going to be the neck part. This is where I'm guessing the head will be going. So it says to fit it. Satisfying snap. Okay, and then we take these two parts here's the second piece. So you line up everything over here to that side, all right? And then we snap in together. So we have a bit of maneuverability as well. Okay, so now we're going to take the neck part and we're going to place it into the red section. Like so. All right, so now the next part we're going to do is these three. So you take the part we just put together and you sit it on top of this, and then we slide in the yellow part. So it's gonna be a little bit tricky. Okay, it's gonna look a little bit odd to you when you're assembling it, but you're gonna want the box part to be on the facing upwards. And then we seal the deal. So now this is the final piece for the chest. So we take these two pieces that we had assembled. So the yellow is going to go through over here. So you're gonna slide like so. It's in. And then we take the part that we just cut out. And we line the things up. And then we squeeze the sides nice and tight. Okay, and there we have our chest unit. Now the next part we're gonna build will be the head. So you are gonna have a little bit of hip action for your Gundam. Swivel in the hips. All right, so I'm guessing the shoulders will go up over here, but we're taking one step at a time. So what do we have so far? We have the chest and we have the Gundam arms. So right here, this is where usually a head goes. We'll see if I'm right in the next video. Now there is a chance that it's the wrong head and it's going to go down over here. Like so. Alright guys, so I appreciate you guys tuning in for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please drop a big ol' like and support the channel by subscribing. And I'll catch you guys on the next video of It's a Goddamn Gundam. Gundam it. Alright, Michael out. Later.